Imagine this. You're sitting across from her. Maybe it's at a coffee shop. Maybe it's late at night texting. Or maybe you're walking side by side under the city lights. She laughs, she smiles, she talks. But deep down, you feel it. She doesn't truly see you yet. She doesn't see your value. She doesn't see what makes you different from every other guy in her D-Miz. But here's the truth. There's one thing you can do just once. That flips the entire script. Do this, and she will never look at you the same way again. She will remember you. She will respect you. And more importantly, she will feel something she can't ignore. See, women don't fall for men because of looks, money, or fancy words. Those things might grab attention, but they don't hold it. What makes her stay, what makes her chase, is an emotional shift when you trigger something inside her that other men never had the courage to do. So in this video, I'm going to break down what that one move is, why it works on the deepest psychological level, and how you can pull it off without trying too hard. Stay locked in, because after this, she will never see you the same again. Let me tell you a story. There was a guy, let's call him Jake. Jake liked this girl for months. He tried everything: constant texting, compliments, late night calls. He even changed his style, started hitting the gym, bought new cologne. But to her, Jake was still the same. A nice guy, a friend, safe, predictable. Then one night, something happened. Jake stopped playing her game. He pulled back. He didn't text her good morning. He didn't reply instantly. And when she finally asked, "What's up with you?" Jake did something powerful. Instead of chasing her validation, he calmly said, "I don't chase, I attract. If you see my value, great. If not, that's on you." In that moment, her entire perspective shifted, because he showed her something she had never seen before. So what did Jake do? He introduced scarcity and self-respect. Most men are predictable. They bend over backward to please her. They fear losing her, so they never show strength. But when you do the opposite, when you demonstrate that your world doesn't revolve around her, you trigger a psychological switch. Scarcity makes value rise. Think about it. Diamonds are valuable not because they sparkle, but because they're rare. When she realizes your time, your attention, your energy is rare, she starts to see you differently. Now here's the twist. A lot of guys hear this and think, so I just ignore her, right? Go cold, stop talking, play hard to get. Wrong. That's not strength, that's immaturity. The key isn't to act distant. The key is to act unshakable. When she pushes, you don't collapse. When she tests, you don't beg. When she pulls back, you don't chase. Do this once and I promise, she will feel something shift in the pit of her stomach. It's not arrogance. It's not games. It's presence. And presence is magnetic. Here's why this works psychologically. Humans are wired to crave what feels uncertain. When something is guaranteed, our brains take it for granted. That's why constant attention and over-availability kill attraction. But when you become unpredictable, when she doesn't fully know if she has you locked in, it spikes her dopamine. Her brain starts running loops. Does he like me? Did I mess up? Why isn't he chasing me like the others? This uncertainty turns into obsession. And obsession is the foundation of attraction. The one move: stop proving yourself and start making her prove herself to you. Let's make this real. Next time you're texting her and she goes dry, instead of double texting or sending a meme to win her attention, you simply let it go. Hours pass, maybe a day. Then when she finally checks back in with, "Hey, where'd you go?" you answer calmly, "Just been busy doing my thing." No emotion, no neediness, just solid presence. That one response alone will shake her, because you've done what 90% of men can't. You didn't fold. Listen closely, this is the shift that makes her never see you the same again. You are no longer the guy begging for her attention. You're the man commanding attention by living in your own frame. Frame is everything. If she's inside your frame, your reality, your standards, your pace, she will respect you. But the second you step inside her frame, you lose. So the move isn't about ignoring her. It's about owning your reality so strongly that she has no choice but to step into it. But the moment she meets a man who shows self-respect, who's not rattled by her silence, who doesn't beg for validation, she feels something new, something rare, something magnetic, and she thinks, "Damn, this one's different." Now let me give you a warning. Don't twist this into arrogance or disrespect. Confidence doesn't mean treating her poorly. Confidence means valuing yourself first. Women respect men who respect themselves. They're drawn to strength, not cruelty. So always pair this move with authenticity. Stay calm, stay collected, and stay kind, but never stay needy. So here's the truth. You don't need to buy her love. You don't need to chase her approval, and you don't need to change who you are. You just need to shift your frame. Show her once that you're unshakable, that your time is valuable, that your attention is rare, and she will never see you the same again. That's the power. That's the move. And once you master it, you'll never chase again. If this hit you, drop a comment below with the word unshakable. I want to see how many men in this tribe are ready to stop chasing and start leading. And remember, this is Silent Tribe, where we uncover the dark psychology of attraction, respect, and influence. Subscribe, because every video here is designed to give you the edge most men will never have. Stay silent, stay powerful, and watch how the world starts chasing you.